GAMBL is a complete gaming platform that consolidates operator, sportsbook, betting exchange, casino, lottery, and poker services into a single application. GAMBL uses distributed ledger technology, also known as blockchain technology, to bring fair and open gaming to a global market. Distributed ledger technology is sure to be at the forefront of the next leap in technical innovation. Achieving widespread use of blockchain solutions is a matter of applying the available technology to existing marketplaces to create advantageous products that cannot be matched by traditional operators. With the basic foundation of ledger-based financial transactions, the betting industry is a leading candidate for the adoption and implementation of distributed ledger technology. In fact, ledgers have been the basis of the bookmaking industry since its origin, and they led to the term bookmaking in the first place. Making a book originally comes from operators placing their odds and bets in hardbound ledgers. As one of the most popular and rapidly growing industries in the world, gaming is set to be extensively impacted by the technological revolution of the distributed blockchain. Betting in its purest form is prominent on a global scale, and with the adoption of distributed ledger technology, it's now possible for a provably fair gaming service to exist that can cater to users and operators safely and securely regardless of location. This innovative approach results in a fairer service and more lucrative alternative for users across the globe. GAMBL allows users to bet safely, securely, and privately on a self-regulating network. Users can retain control of their own funds and bet without limitation or restrictions. Decentralization also removes all geographical barriers, meaning that it is possible for a gaming blockchain to access a global market and tap into an immense industry. The core goal of the GAMBL platform is to harvest the advantages of blockchain technology to create valuable gaming services that can be packaged in a traditional way and marketed to the general public, regardless of blockchain knowledge or awareness. GAMBL aims to bridge trillion-dollar industries and be at the forefront of the adoption of blockchain technology within the gaming industry. With this action, GAMBL will be a leader in bringing a blockchain platform to the general public for everyday use. GAMBL users can bet globally on an array of services, including sportsbook, casino, lottery, poker, and more. GAMBL provides users with highly competitive odds, industry-leading prize pools, provably fair operation, the ability to choose from multiple operators, and the sole ownership and control of their own funds. Unlike any other betting service, GAMBL is globally accessible and free from any personal limitations or restrictions. GAMBL always puts the traditional user first and features an intuitive UI for a better and easier experience. Raising the bar when it comes to transparency and fairness, GAMBL allows for guaranteed payouts, grants users complete control over their funds, and makes all betting data publicly available. Ultimately, GAMBL provides a lower-cost solution and reduces the barrier for bettors and operators alike, all wrapped in a traditional packaging that bettors are familiar and comfortable with. Wherever you are, it's time to get in the game with GAMBL. Operators face problems of their own as they are largely profit-driven. They are forced to generate a revenue surplus in order to cover their expansive operating costs and support company growth. They must deal with ever-changing costs from the software providers they are reliant on, and often encounter large development fees to maintain their service. Operating cost dictates everything. Operators also have to comply with evolving legislation and requirements, enforce KYC, limit their own marketplace and potential gain, and pay whatever fees governments dictate. Typical industry solutions to the issues described have been to cut costs by manipulating their workforce numbers and maximizing the average profit on each user. GAMBL provides a different level of solution, one that overhauls the original framework of the industry, improves it at its core, and eliminates the problems at the root rather than making reactionary moves to surface issues that lead to instability. GAMBL provides operators with a much lower cost solution, a lower entry barrier, access to a global player pool, and higher profit retention. The distributed nature of the system greatly reduces the need and associated cost of centralized operation by incentivizing operator nodes to validate transactions, verify gaming data, and trigger the execution of smart contracts for bet placement and resolution. Operators lock coins as collateral to create their own sportsbook on the platform. Operator nodes achieve consensus to feed events and odds data to the blockchain via APIs and execute smart contracts for bet placement and resolution. As the blockchain relies on operator nodes feeding correct data, they must be incentivized to accurately perform their duties. They are rewarded through a remarkable 90% rate of profit retention on bets placed and verified through their node. The remaining 10% of profits are removed from the total supply or destroyed. Operator nodes may join the consensus pool of nodes or operate individually, providing their own sportsbook to users. In the case of the latter, operator nodes must possess and lock a sufficient number of GAMBL coins to meet any potential liability taken on through bets on their own sportsbook service. GAMBL allows for anybody to enter the marketplace as an operator on the platform, from budding entrepreneurs to established and long-existing operators in the traditional industry. GAMBL has developed a complex economic model that ultimately turns a blockchain with inflationary aspects into a blockchain featuring an innovative deflationary economy. Initially, block rewards averaging 10 GAMBL coins per minute cause an inflation of 5,256,000 GAMBL coins per year, a 1.05% rate. The first deflationary aspect of GAMBL is the destruction of betting and gaming fees, which reduces the total coin supply. The second deflationary aspect is the blockchain's automatic liquidity function, combined with its house edge. To ensure all markets on the GAMBL platform are liquid, the blockchain automatically provides liquidity for major events, producing a 102.6% market. The 2.6% house edge works in conjunction with automated liability management to ensure the house always wins. The destruction of profits, automatic liquidity function, and natural house edge from sportsbooks odds and casino and lottery services combine to create an advantage for the blockchain itself and result in an expected reduction in supply. With sufficient betting volume, this reduction in supply can more than outweigh the increase in supply from block rewards, creating a deflationary economy linked to usage and participation. The resulting economic model generates incentive for operator nodes, creates benefits for all users from all uses of the GAMBL coin, and ties use of the GAMBL coin to a decrease in supply. The GAMBL blockchain leverages the increasing use of the system to create a unique and deflationary digital economy that drives scarcity and rewards all participants in the network and all holders of GAMBL coins. GAMBL bridges the gap between blockchain technology, the general population, and operators themselves by delivering a consolidated solution with undeniable and unmatchable value to end users. Peer-to-peer online betting on a decentralized system is the future of gaming. GAMBL embodies this system and with it, breaks down the barriers between the cryptocurrency and gaming industries. The next exponential advancement awaiting the cryptocurrency industry is the adoption of the technology outside of the industry itself. The next major technological advancement in the gaming industry will be the adoption of distributed blockchains. GAMBL merges these industries, meeting both of their needs, to become a leader in bringing blockchain technology to the masses. Its provably fair, safe, and secure gaming solution, a deflationary economy, and ability to service users on a global scale with industry-leading odds and fees make GAMBL one of a kind. As a decentralized and open-source gaming network that rewards users, GAMBL is in essence a network by the people, of the people, and for the people. To find out more about GAMBL, the blockchain you can bet on, visit GAMBL.io and get in the game today.